Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the key differences between the ChatGPT and the DeepSeek R1 model. So basically, the difference is that ChatGPT is meant to be more of a creative type of chatbot, while DeepSeek is more for analytical and technical questions. So whatever you ask it is going to give you that answer simplified and ready to use, while ChatGPT gives you a more creative and widely usable answer. Another key difference is obviously the company. ChatGPT is made by OpenAI and DeepSeek is made by a Chinese company, also called DeepSeek, and it's made more for the Chinese market. And then another difference is that ChatGPT has a limited generation of 3 images per day, while DeepSeek you can use you can create as many images as you want without the paid version, while ChatGPT only lets you do 3 without the paid version. Another difference is the price. While ChatGPT is priced by $20 per month, DeepSeek on the other hand is way cheaper, coming in at 50 cents per month, so it's way more affordable chatbot premium version. And yeah, that's pretty much all of the key differences between the two. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, and make sure to have a great day. See you in the next one. Goodbye.